This is the final video to solve Path of Exile 2 constant freezing and crashing on Nvidia GPUs. After dealing with these exact issues myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. Our first approach targets the most common culprit, outdated or corrupted graphics drivers. Updating to the latest stable driver version ensures your GPU communicates optimally with the game, often resolving immediate stability problems. Disabling in-game overlays from programs like Discord or GeForce Experience reduces background resource usage and potential conflicts. Adjusting in-game settings, particularly lowering demanding graphical options, lessens the strain on your Nvidia hardware. Verifying game files ensures no critical game assets are missing or corrupted, which can lead to unexpected crashes. Running the game as an administrator grants it the necessary permissions to access system resources without limitation. Closing unnecessary background applications frees up RAM and CPU cycles, essential for smooth gameplay. Finally, checking system temperatures prevents thermal throttling, a common cause of instability when components overheat. Method 2 begins with a clean driver installation, completely removing old driver files before installing new ones, which is more thorough than a standard update. Rolling back to a previous driver version can sometimes resolve issues if a recent update introduced instability. Adjusting specific settings within the Nvidia control panel, like disabling VSync or enabling low latency mode, can fine-tune performance. Disabling the shader cache can force the game to regenerate shaders, potentially fixing corruption. Modifying power plant settings to high performance ensures your CPU and GPU are not being unnecessarily throttled. Checking for and installing pending Windows updates can resolve underlying operating system conflicts. Disabling full screen optimizations in game properties can improve compatibility with modern Windows features. Method 3 focuses on memory and system resources. Increasing virtual memory or page file size helps when your system runs low on physical RAM. Disabling the XMP profile for your RAM can sometimes fix instability caused by aggressive memory timings. Checking RAM integrity with tools like memtest86 can identify faulty modules. Underclocking your GPU slightly can reduce heat and power draw, stabilizing it. Monitoring CPU usage helps identify if other processes are hogging resources. Reinstalling the game entirely can fix deep-seated corruption. Checking game logs can provide specific error codes. Method 4 delves into more advanced hardware and firmware. Disabling GPU boost can prevent unstable clock speeds. Checking PCI settings and ensuring the correct slot is used can impact bandwidth. Testing different display ports can rule out cable or port issues. Cleaning PC internals removes dust that causes overheating. Updating your system's BIOS can provide crucial motherboard stability improvements. Testing with a different PSU can rule out power delivery problems. Finally, running comprehensive hardware diagnostics ensures all components are functioning correctly.